Hey everyone, in today's video I've just got a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to remove drywall anchors from your wall without damaging the drywall. So you can see here is my drywall anchor, and what you're going to want to do is just grab a screw that fits in that anchor, and you're just going to want to insert it just a few turns. So turn it probably about 5 or 6 times to make sure it's seated in there. And then grab some pliers, and you're just going to want to grip onto the screw and gently pull it out. And you just got to wiggle and twist a little bit. And there you go. And you can see we were able to remove it without damaging our wall. And then you could just use some spackle to patch this up. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.